How much longer are we going to let banksters endanger the entire global economy with high-risk trading and speculation? How much longer are we going to let banksters skate by paying practically nothing in taxes, while the rest of us are asked to take food off our tables or gas out of our gas tanks to contribute to lowering our deficit? We're not the only nation that's asking ourselves that question. France is too. And now they're doing something about it. French President Nicolas Sarkozy announced he would push forward with a financial transaction tax, an FTT, on banking institutions in France, charging a tiny 0.1% on all stock trades. It's called a Robin Hood tax because it's a tax that only affects banks and wealthy traders and generates a lot of much-needed revenue to tackle things like poverty, health care, and infrastructure rebuilding. Here in America, all the Republican candidates are proposing the opposite. They're proposing massive tax cuts for corporations and billionaires, tax cuts for the rich that are as much as 270 times larger than the tax cuts that they're proposing for the middle class. And since they're tax cuts the Republicans want, they need to be paid for. And Republicans say we should cut social safety net programs to make up for the money we're giving the billionaires. Thus, it's a reverse Robin Hood policy. But back to France. That tiny little, just 0.1% tax on just the banksters and the stock traders will generate massive revenue for the rest of the nation, upwards of 12 billion euros a year. And if the whole debt-ridden European continent went the way of France, the whole continent of Europe, and put in place a Robin Hood tax on stock trades, that would be an additional 50 billion euros flowing in every year. So either they make the incredibly profitable transnational banking giants pay 50 billion euros on trillions of dollars in trades, or they make average hardworking citizens pay 50 billion euros, which, as we're seeing in Greece, Italy, and the UK, not working out so well. Choice is pretty clear to me. But not only does a Robin Hood tax raise much-needed revenue, it also discourages bad behavior, such as excessive financial speculation and high-frequency trading.